Good morning, children. Let's continue with the notes in our classwork notebook. Unit 1, Below the Dog. Write today's date first and give the heading. Answer the following. Underline with a ruler and pencil. Write the first question. Who was Billu? Answer is this. Billu was a faithful dog of a farmer. After writing question number 1 and its answer, leave a line and write question number 2. Why did the farmer decide to throw Billu out? Billu was too old to do any work, so the farmer decided to throw him out. After writing question number 2 and its answer, leave a line again and write question number 3. Whom did Billu meet at the forest? Billu met his best friend, the fox, at the forest. Who saved the baby from the fox? Billu saved the baby from the fox. Question number 5 is this. Was the fox's idea effective? Yes, the fox's idea was effective. The farmer didn't throw Billu out. These are the 5 questions and answers. Write neatly. Let's now learn some animal sounds. Different words are used for sounds of different animals. Let's start writing. Bears growl. Cats mew. Elephants trumpet. Cows moo. Frogs croak. Goats bleat. Horses neigh. Mice squeak. Write the 8th one below number 7 and just go down one by one. Pigs grunt. Snakes hiss. Cocks crow. Ducks quack. Owls hoot. Bees buzz. These are some animal sounds. Homes of different animals are also given different names. Lions live in den. Dogs live in kennel. Sheep live in pen. Cows live in shed. Hens live in coop. Birds live in nest. Horses live in stable. Pigs live in sty. Rabbits live in burrow. Bees live in comb. It is also called a hive. Ants live in ant hill. Snakes live in holes. Spiders live in cobweb. Fish live in water. These are the different homes of different animals. That's all for today. We will do the text back exercise in the next class. Read the notes and textbook daily. See you all. Thank you so much.